In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect the Gemini AI to Base44. So first thing you need to do is go to googleaistudio.com and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look in the bottom left corner and click on Get API Key. Now click Create API Key in the top right corner. You can name your key, then choose whether you want to import an existing Google Cloud project or create a new project. So I'm going to create a new one, give it a name, and click Create Project. After that, click Create Key and your Gemini API key will be generated. Now you simply click the copy icon to copy your API key and then go back to Base44. In the top menu, click on Integrations, type Gemini in the search bar, click on Gemini, and then click Use this integration. Here you just paste your API key. Keep in mind to use this integration you need backend functions enabled, and backend functions are only available on the Builder plan or higher, which starts at around $40 per month. Once you paste your key and save it, your Gemini integration will be connected. This lets you add powerful AI features to your app like natural language responses, text generation, summaries, and even code generation, all powered by Google Gemini directly inside your Base44 project. That's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Base44 tutorials.